Welcome to the final episode of our series. So far, we've covered everything from beaches to boating and tropical storms to tornadoes. But we've left probably the most important summer topic for last. And that, of course, is heat safety. And boy, let me tell you, are we gonna ever need that this week as we head towards the first day of summer and potentially our first heat wave of the year. Southern New England is the place to be on sweltering summer days, and there's one big reason for that. Our proximity to the ocean, of course. Afternoon sea breezes keep a good chunk of our area slightly cooler, especially during May and June. A sea breeze forms when the air over land warms faster than it does over water. As the land air warms, its density decreases, creating a weak area of low pressure called a thermal low. Over the water, the cooler, more dense air sinks and begins to spread inland. But not everyone is living that salt life, and the heat can still be very dangerous just about anywhere, especially on humid days. We talked about that briefly in our beach and boat episode and why it is so important to stay hydrated on those days in particular. When the humidity is high, your body has to work harder to keep you cool, which is why you sweat more. This is where the heat index comes into play. This is a combination of the air temperature and humidity calculating what the weather feels like on your body. The heat index plays a direct role in the different heat alerts that are issued by our National Weather Service office. A heat advisory means the maximum heat index is expected to be at least 95 degrees for 3 or more hours. An excessive heat watch is issued 1 to 3 days before a possible heat index of 105 or greater, and this then gets elevated to an excessive heat warning within 12 hours. Taking it easy and staying cool indoors is always recommended on steamy days, regardless of heat alerts, but sometimes being outdoors is unavoidable, so it's important to be able to recognize the signs of heat illnesses, especially when involved in activities exerting the body. Heat exhaustion is the beginning stages of heat stroke and can be treated with swift cooling actions. If signs of heat stroke are exhibited, however, call 911 immediately. Lastly, some people still think it's okay to leave children or pets inside vehicles, even on mild days, and not for that long. Let's demonstrate just how unacceptable that is. We've placed this thermometer inside a car on a 78-degree afternoon. After half an hour, we recorded a temperature of around 93 degrees. Within 1 hour, a stifling 122, and after 90 minutes, an unbearable 138 degrees. Easy to see why situations like these can quickly turn deadly. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. Summer can be a magical time of year, but always remember when you're out having fun to err on the side of caution and play it safe. From all of us in the ABC6 Stormtracker Weather Center, I'm Jeff Banson. Have a great summer. We good?
Yeah.
Man, it's hot out here.